Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Myself Tafin Azad, and I will be delivering the topic regarding integrated organic inorganic nutrition. First of all, we should know why we people have to shift towards organic farming. Just four reasons will fully explain why we people have to shift towards organic farming and reducing the use of inorganic inputs. First one is soil degradation. As we people know that we are continuously increasing the use of chemical fertilizers day by day. By use of these chemical fertilizers, the total productivity in our orchards decreases because the total soil fertility decreases. When the fertility of a soil decreases, the microbial activity or the decomposition process or mineralization process decreases. In addition to that, by the use of these chemicals, a lot of pollutions occurs. Uh, that becomes reasons that we people have to shift towards organic farming. The second one is rising cost. As we people know that the cost of fertilizers it increases day by day. Some days ago, a chemical fertilizer known as the muriate of potash. I personally purchased the muriate of potash at the rate of 3,200 per quintal. But after some time, means currently the same fertilizer is at the rate of 3,800 per quintal. Means within 20 days, the cost of same fertilizer increases 600 per quintal, and the fertilizer was muriate of potash. Means that the rising cost of the fertilizer also forces us to shift towards the organic farming. And the third one is environmental harm. As we people know that by the use of chemical fertilizers, it results decline in soil fertility, a decline in microbial activity, and it also affects the human health, causes lot of pollution that forces us to shift towards organic farming. And the last one is sustainability goal, which means simply we have to run in a smart manner. That means if we people will start fully organic farming, that will not be favor for a normal farmer because the yield will be less, and the diseases will be more, and the total farmer income will be less, and the standard living of a farmer will be in a decline manner. But what we people have to do, we have to use combination of organic and inorganic inputs in the initial years. After some years, and when we people monitor that by using of the organic products, yield will be increased and there will be less pathogen attack, and for that we have to create buffer zones. Then we will shift towards fully organic farming, but in initial years we have to use combination of both. After that, we will shift towards the objectives of integrated organic inorganic nutrition. We had to use the organic manures if we people will shift towards the organic farming. For example, we can use farmyard manure, we can use verming compost instead of chemical fertilizers. But in initial years, we have to use a combination of both. In addition to that, we can use biofertilizers. For example, azobacter, phosphorus solubilizing bacteria, or we can use WAM, that means Glomus species. It will also increase the nutrient uptake and will increase the plant vigor. After that, we can use integrated nutrient management that I already discussed. In addition to that, we can go towards green manuring, and we can use both, that is in situ green manuring and green leaf manuring, to build the soil fertility or to increase the organic matter content in a soil. After that, third one is different experiments has been done on integrated nutrient management, and the crops that were selected: plum, strawberry, guava, mango, banana, and walnut. In case of plum, the variety that was selected, and it was Santa Rosa, and the treatment was 80% recommended dose fertilizers, because we are using integrated nutrient management, means both organic and inorganic, because they have added 20 kg vermicompost and 60 gram biofertilizer, and the result, it was highest tree growth. And in case of the strawberry, maximum fruits per plant has been obtained. Similarly, in case of the mango, using FYM, vermicompost, azobacter, phosphorus solubilizing bacteria, uh, highest fruit weight, TSS, and ascorbic acid has been found in case of fruits. Similarly, in case of walnut, they have used RDF plus 50 kg of vermicompost, and it was found the improved leaf nutrient status. And the next one is short findings from these researches. It was found that by using the organic manures, that is vermicompost, green manure, FYM, and reducing the chemical fertilizers, not avoiding the use of chemical fertilizers, but reducing the use of chemical fertilizers, it results in improves the vegetative growth, yield, fruit quality as compared to using chemical fertilizers alone. In addition to that, using the organic inputs, it also reduces the dependency on costly inorganic chemicals. After that, organic products, it increases the soil physical properties, it increases the fertility, microbial growth, microbial health, and fruit quality, fruit yield after some years as compared to using chemical fertilizers alone. And the last one is that has been found from the researchers, that we have to use both organic and inorganic nutrients in initial years. After that, we can shift fully towards organic farming. And the last topic that remains from this portion, it is about the strengths of organic products and the limitations of using these organic products. The first strength, it is that organic products increases the organic carbon in a soil. It increases the cation exchange capacity, and it also increases the microbial activity and microbial health in a soil. After that, it increases the different physical properties, that means the bulk density, porosity, water storage capacity of a soil. It also increases the microbial population, microbial growth, and suppresses the pathogen attack, or declines the population of pathogens. It has been found that by using up the organic products, it increases the fruit quality, especially it increases antioxidants, it increases the phenols, it increases the oil content of fruits. Some limitations of organic products. Organic products cannot meet the nitrogen needs of a plant due to the slow mineralization that forces us to use the chemical fertilizers because it cannot meet the nitrogen due to the slow mineralization. And the second one is composition. Organic products are also called as bulky nutrients because they are required in large volume, but they contain less composition of nutrients as compared to chemical fertilizers, that forces us to use the chemical fertilizers. Third one is that the price of the organic product is, it is very high as compared to the product is prepared through chemical fertilizers. And some byproducts in case of organic farming, they can cause phytotoxicity and the heavy metal risk when applied at high rates. Not only the chemical fertilizers causes the phytotoxicity, but some of the organic products also causes phytotoxicity and heavy metal risk only when using at high rates. For example, polio mill wastewater, when we use it at high rates, it will cause the phytotoxicity. In nutshell, it means that there are slight limitations for organic farming, but there are a lot of limitations in case of using chemical fertilizers. But what we people have to do if we have to shift towards organic farming? Simply, in initial years, we can use both organic and inorganic, but can reducing the use of inorganic chemicals and increasing the use of organic products. After some years, we have to shift fully towards organic farming. It was all about the integrated organic inorganic nutrition. Thanks.